What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs. And today, this video is for anyone who has a Dodge Ram with the 6.7 Cummins engine, maybe even the 5.9 Cummins. So, pretty much what's happening is my AC, I've fully gone through the whole system. Everything has been done. I didn't do it myself, but I did uh, get it recharged and everything, and did replace the orifice tube, and what else? Oh, the compressor. The compressor for sure was shot, but I believe the reason why the compressor went out is because the AC's kicking on, but the fan is not cooling down the the condenser. So pretty much the clutch is frying because it's getting too hot. But so what happens is I'll be on the highway or whatever, or as long as you're moving pretty much at a pretty good speed to where you're getting some airflow on the radiator or on the condenser, then everything's fine. Your AC works perfect. But when you come to a stop, it starts blowing hot. Mosquito. Oh, it revived. I squished that mosquito right now. It revived. But anyways, so what I did was order the fan clutch because that's what I thought it was. And sure enough, what I see down here, the wires to the fan clutch are not even connected. They're completely, I think something happened to it. I don't know exactly what, but they're completely snipped right there, right at the tip. I'm not too sure, but I feel like this has been hitting the. And I have no idea how the heck this did not give check engine light code, but there's no code. And anyways, the truck doesn't overheat. It runs perfectly at like right at almost a little bit less than 200, sometimes right at 200. But pretty much the AC is not working. So I'm gonna try to fix this, see if that fixes the problem. All right. So here's a pro tip: if you don't have the tool to take off the fan clutch, what you could use is a bar, a big old bar with a flathead tip, and it's got to be kind of pretty heavy. It's got to be pretty big. You could do this with the screwdriver probably, but it's going to be hard. You're going to have to hit that thing hard. But what you do is you place the, what's it called? The bar right at the edge of the nut that's on there. That little nut that's right there. Watch. That one. The one that holds the clutch on. Then you hit it counterclockwise. You put the bar right at the edge and hit it with a big old hammer. And then eventually, once you give it a good enough hard hit, it'll just come right off. Now it's nice and loose. You can see that's where I've been hitting it, right there at that spot. That's why it's all marked up. We're replacing it anyway, so it doesn't matter. But that's just if you're in a pinch, you don't have the tool, you can do that. But there you go, guys. Alright, so this part is really hard if you're just going to try to figure it out on your own. So what you got to do first, keep this one loose. This bolt right here that's holding the shroud on, keep that, take it off. Make sure there's nothing there. Then put your bracket on. Don't worry about aligning it. You got to make sure this is off. If you have it where it's supposed to go, this is not going to go on. This is not going to go on. So put your bolt in, align this. It has a little keyway right here or hole for this little notch. Then you tighten this bolt down, not all the way, but almost all the way. And then after you have it mostly all the way, then you pull this one onto place. And then you can put your bolt. But if you don't do that, this is gonna, your wire will catch and it'll hit your fan. So you gotta be careful. And then now that I have everything together, I can tighten it all up. All right, everybody. So just finished putting the fan clutch on, and Turns out that's exactly what it was. AC is blowing colder than ever. I actually had to turn it off because it's way too cold. Well, it's nighttime anyway, so, but it did work. And if you're having problems with your AC, like how I explained at the beginning, that's exactly probably what it is. Make sure everything else is right first, then check your AC fan clutch. I'm pretty sure the clutch was still good, it's just those wires were ripped. But I bought a replacement anyways, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something from this. Thank you, and Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.